Welcome to Premath. In this video tutorial, we are going to find the sum of this given infinite series. And here's our infinite series: 1 over 3 plus 1 over 9 plus 1 over 27 plus on and on and on. Please don't forget to give a thumbs up to this video. Let's go ahead and get started with the solution. And here's the very first thing we're going to look at it. At the denominator, this 3 means that this is 3 power 1. Here 9 means 3 power 2. Here 27 means 3 power 3. So we got a clear pattern. So the next number is going to be 3 power 4. That means that number is going to be 1 over 81, and on and on and on. And here I have copied down this infinite series. And now since we want to find the sum of this infinite series, let me go ahead and call x is the value of this infinite series. And here's our next step. Let's go ahead and multiply both sides by 3. Here I'm going to multiply by 3. And here I'm going to multiply by 3 across the board, on and on. So therefore, on the left hand side, we got 3x equals to, here 3 and 3 is gone. So we ended up just simply 1 plus 3 and 9 reduced to 1/3. So I can write 1 over 3 plus this 3 and 27 reduces to 1 over 9 plus this 3 divided by 81 reduces to 1 over 27 plus on and on and on. And now let's go ahead and subtract 1 from both sides. So we got 3x minus 1 equals to, on the right hand side, this 1 and -1, they cancel each other out. So we ended up with 1 over 3 plus 1 over 9 plus 1 over 27 plus on and on and on. And now let's focus on this infinite series on the right hand side. And we know that we assumed that this infinite series equal to x. So I am going to replace this infinite series on the right hand side by x. So therefore we can write 3x minus 1 equal to x. And now let's go ahead and move this x on the left hand side, and at the same time I'm going to move this -1 on the right hand side. So therefore I can write 3x minus x equals to 1. So this simply become 2x equal to 1. Let's solve for x. Let's divide both sides by 2. So x turns out to be equal to 1 over 2. So x equal to 1 over 2 means that this whole infinite series is equal to 1 over 2. So thus our answer turns out to be a 1 over 2. Thanks for watching, and please don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more exciting videos. Bye.